Hello everyone. Today, I'm excited to present to you an innovative solution designed to revolutionize the way we monitor construction projects. Imagine a world where construction progress can be tracked in real time without the need for frequent site visits by technical experts. This is where our system comes into play. As we all know, the construction industry is booming, especially in urban areas. Managing multiple construction sites efficiently can be a real challenge. Traditional methods of monitoring progress rely on technical experts visiting the site regularly, which is both costly and time-consuming. With large numbers of projects going on simultaneously, it becomes nearly impossible to ensure consistent real-time tracking. And this is exactly the problem we aim to solve. Our solution is an image-based construction monitoring system that uses machine learning, artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and even quantum computing. These technologies work together to automate the process of monitoring construction progress, ensuring accuracy, speed, and scalability. The system allows users to upload images of the construction site regularly. Our machine learning models are trained to analyze these images and identify the current stage of construction, whether it's foundation, superstructure, facade, or interiors. This eliminates the need for manual progress assessment. But that's not all. We've integrated augmented reality, or AR, to enhance on-site and remote monitoring. With AR, users can overlay digital models of the construction onto live images or videos of the site. This allows us to compare real progress with the planned model in real time. Any discrepancies, our system will flag them immediately. We also use AI to automate the reporting process. The system generates daily or weekly reports on progress, highlighting any delays or risks. If incorrect images or details are uploaded, AI raises an error and prompts users to provide the correct information, ensuring accuracy throughout the monitoring process. Now you might be wondering, what role does quantum computing play here? Quantum computing, though still emerging, promises to take our system to the next level. By speeding up data processing, quantum technology will enable us to manage large-scale construction projects with even greater efficiency. It's about future-proofing the system for the growing demands of smart cities. Another key feature of the system is the daily database. This stores images and progress reports in the cloud, creating a complete timeline for each project. The database can be accessed at any time for historical comparisons, compliance checks, and long-term tracking. So, what's the impact of this solution? Time savings, no more frequent site visits, reducing the burden on technical experts, cost efficiency, automated monitoring cuts down on costs associated with manual checks, real-time insights. Daily updates mean decision makers are always informed. Improved project management. Early detection of issues helps keep projects on schedule. Scalability, the system can easily handle multiple projects across different locations. In summary, we're offering a smart, scalable, and efficient solution that leverages the latest in technology, AI, Arkansas, quantum computing, and machine learning to transform construction monitoring. This isn't just about convenience. It's about ensuring that projects are completed on time, within budget, and with full transparency. Thank you for watching. I'm confident that this solution is a game changer for the construction industry, and I'm excited to see how it shapes the future of project monitoring.